This is Adam with UAV Coach, and if you just got a DJI drone and are wondering how to pair it with a phone or tablet so you can start to fly that drone, here is how to do that. All right, so first let's connect the phone to the controller. So to do that, for most phones, you're gonna have to take the case off or it won't fit on the top of the controller. So let's just take the phone case off. Set it to the side. And for the DJI controller, I have the DJI Air 2S. So for this controller, just pop open this top part, and then there are two cables. This is the lightning cable that will connect to your phone. So we're gonna unhook this left one and it wraps around. So this is what's going to plug into the phone. This part stays plugged in the entire time. So we're gonna take our phone and kind of push it up against this, just like this. I usually just take the phone, push it up, and then wait for it to click, bam. And then what we can do with this cable is just wrap it around and plug it into the controller, like that. Our next step is to turn this controller on. So to do that, you press this power button once and then a second time and hold it. So one, and then hold it. You'll hear this click. And now we'll just see these green dots beeping. Now with our drone, first, take the gimbal cap off, place that to the side. Now you can open up your drone propellers, just like this. The top ones first, and then the bottom ones unhook like that. And then again, we are going to press the power button on the drone. This is the Air 2S, so your power button might be on the bottom. So we're gonna first press it once, and then press it again and hold. One, and then hold. And you see the propeller spinning and the gimbal's moving a little bit. That's why we take off the gimbal cover beforehand and unravel the propellers. So now the drone is on. These two are blinking. Now we are going to unlock our phone and open the DJI Fly App. Because this is the Air 2S, it connects to the DJI Fly App. And we can see that these green dots have stopped beeping, and now they are holding one straight color green instead of blinking. And then we can just press go fly. And if you don't see this, that most likely means that you have not logged into your DJI account. So you would go into profile and you would log into your account from there. Once everything's set up there, all you have to press is go fly, confirm, and now we can see what the drone is seeing. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the UAV Coach channel so you can watch more of our drone tutorials. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.